Hi there, welcome to the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy 2016. I'm Renee Hobbs and I'm going to give you an overview of our exciting hands-on, minds-on professional development program now in its fourth year. So if you're here, you might be part of Tier 1. That's for first-time attendees. The Summer Institute in Digital Literacy is available to you as a graduate course as EDC 531, or you might be back for your second summer. And then you know you're in Tier 2, the leadership track, which you might be taking for graduate credit as EDC 535. Both of these programs are part of the URI Graduate Certificate in Digital Literacy. And Julie Quiro and I are thrilled that the program has been recognized as exemplary by the 2016 U.S. Government National Education Technology Plan. So we're really proud of our certificate program. Here's how it works. You come the first summer, you take the fall online course with Julie Quiro, you take the spring online course with me, Renee Hobbs, you come back for your second summer, and voila, you are a recognized leader in digital literacy. Of course, the fun and the work and the play and the learning are all combined. Here's what you can expect in terms of the structure of the Summer Institute this week. Each day we begin by gaining some knowledge and insight from some recognized leaders in the field. Then we have an experiential learning opportunity to dig deeper. Then there are more than 40 workshop choices led by some amazing workshop leaders where you'll get a chance to explore some amazing digital texts, some digital tools and how to use them, some promising practices for integrating these digital resources into your workplace, and a research roundtable where we share what we're learning about digital literacy. Every afternoon, you'll get a chance to work with a partner in Design Studio. That's where you get to experiment with project-based inquiry learning through collaboration. This year, we're delighted that Chris Lehman is the 2016 keynote speaker. Chris Lehman is one of us, you know, an English teacher, a media teacher, and now an amazing school leader, head of the Science Leadership Academy in Philadelphia, Inquiry Schools, really showing how inquiry learning and digital learning works in urban education. We're also pioneering a new program element this year called Digital Deliberation. Deliberation as a form of discussion aimed at finding the best course of action helps us work as leaders to make change in our communities. Through dialogue and deliberation, we not only learn about issues, but we learn how to develop problem solving as a form of individual and collective action. And we're thrilled this year that Troy Hicks from the National Writing Project is going to lead us through a dialogue on the dynamics between learning to type and learning to write by hand. The program structure looks a little bit like this, right? We start today at our welcome event on Sunday, and we move through the week with a series of activities in the morning and in the afternoon, culminating in the Design Studio Gallery Walk. Because really at the heart of the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy is Design Studio. What will you create this week? Working with a partner, you'll be creating something that you're passionate about. So for example, a couple years ago, Jen and Tim found each other at the Summer Institute, agreed that the inquiry question they wanted to explore was, what contributes to a strong argument? And in the course of just 5 days, developed a personal digital inquiry plan, 2 sample digital work products, and reflection on their learning experience. Now, other participants have addressed all kinds of questions, including topics like how can we explore controversial issues from multiple points of view? How can we understand hidden agendas, bias, and stereotypes in media and popular culture? How are folktales similar and different around the world? Where do insects come from? How can a dog help you with your reading? And how can we make recess better at our school? So the inquiry questions are only limited by your imagination and your ability to find a partner who can share, where you can share a vision of exploration. Working together in Design Studio, that's where the magic happens. And on Friday, you show your work in the Design Studio Showcase, which is a fabulous learning experience where we get to discover the incredible creativity of digital literacy leaders. We know this week that you're going to increase confidence in using digital texts and tools and technologies for student-centered inquiry learning. We know that this week you're going to gain knowledge about strategic approaches to integrating digital literacy in K-12, college, and library contexts. And we know you're going to develop leadership skills through collaboration, problem solving, and reflection. But most of all, you're going to belong to a diverse network of talented and passionate people who support your work. That's why we're thrilled to have you at the Summer Institute in Digital Literacy 2016. So let's get started.